fuck out of the car.
Damn. What are you weighing, 350? I bet you a big Popeye chicken eating motherfucker, ain't you?
Hey,
Get the fuck
I
out.
always got to get the big, thick motherfucker.
Columbia Pictures presents
Don't be alarmed, we're Negroes.
Oh, man, no, that's too much bass in your voice. That scare white folks.
Martin Lawrence,
We were wondering if we can borrow some brown sugar.
Will Smith,
You see, you something wrong with you. What's up?
this April, the law will be served. Justice will be done.
You forgot your boarding pass.
Oh, shit. And boys will be boys. Bad boys. What you gonna do?
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
You freeze, bitch.
Oh, shit. I'm fucked.
Now back up, put the gun down, and give me a pack of tropical fruit bubblicious.